Welcome to the next episode of Subaru stuff. Subaru doings.
It's the big finale. It's prep and paint.
It is prep and paint. So we've got so much work ahead of me. This is a long weekend for me.
Oh yeah.
I'm so busy. Like the stuff that I'm not allowed to show you is like, it's like went from, oh, just do this, but now we've got to do this.
It is escalated.
Yeah, so I've got to squeeze this in any gap I can find.
Oh, can I just see this for a second? See these won't be able to unlock his phone after the weekend.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
This is how long my fingers are. Like sanding.
But come on, let's get onto it. I'll help as much as I can. I can do door shuts and boot shuts and stuff. We'll start prepping.
Let's do some prepping. I'm going to start sanding the roof because it just looks like it wants to be sanded. Just look at it. Look at it. It's like saying...
It's calling out for a bit of sandpaper. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's have the coffees.
So to kick this off, I'm going to be using a bit of 320 on this Durablock. It's that way up. 320, that way up. Yeah, super straightforward. Hold it both sides. Light pressure. If you push too hard on these Subaru panels, can you see how much that moves?
Wow, there's a lot of give in that, isn't there?
There's a lot of give. And then here, strong.
Oh.
Squeak
and strong.
Strong. And if you push too hard, that's going to give way here, and then this isn't going to give way. So you're going to sand more off of this area than you are this area, creating
You'll get stripes where the braces are, won't you?
Yeah, you're going to get stripes. So very light pressure, like barely anything. Just
let the sandpaper do the work.
Oh, exactly. Let the stuff do the work for you. So gently, take your time. Diagonal motions.
And these blocks have just enough give in them, don't they, to follow the curve of the panel?
Yeah, they're very easy to use.
Let me come over and have a quicker, closer look. So Lewis has put a very thin guide coat. It's basically just, you can use aerosol black paint, you can use powders, it's whatever your personal preference is.
I like rattle can satin black because it's easy, convenient. You just have to give it a dust and your job's good in, like.
Job's are good in. But everybody has their ways. And then you can see, as he's sanding,
you can see all the highs and lows.
The highs and lows are coming out. You just keep sanding until you get one uniform white layer. And then you know it's completely smooth.
Yeah.
Also, Lewis, why aren't you using those blocks with the vacuum attachment?
That's a very good question. Because I do like these Durablocks. They're very easy to use. They also have ability to bend slightly. So you can see, I can curve that and it will kind of almost hold its curve, which means it'll match the curve of the roof.
I suppose the vacuum blocks, they're rigid.
They're rigid.
Yeah.
Great for flat surfaces. Roofs, not flat.
Not so much. Well, the proof will be in the pudding, obviously.
Pudding?
Oh, God.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu, now you're talking.
Now all the 320ing has been done over the whole car, well, over all the primer areas. It's time to re-guide coat and hit it with a DA, a soft pad, interface pad. I like to call them soft pads, but I think they're actually called interface pads. And 500 discs. Now we're going to use the 500 discs over the whole car because we're painting the whole thing. So yeah, let's guide coat and crack on. Right, I don't think I've ever seen paintwork as dirty as this.
It's like it's been painted outside in the Sahara Desert during a dust storm.
It is horrendously dirty and half-assed polished out. As you can see, the front end's been sanded. You may have seen it as I was sanding all the bits of dirt we were picking up that hadn't been, well, it had been half polished out. I mean...
Not nibbed.
Not nibbed, just buzzed over with a DA, I think.
I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up.
So yeah, I thought we'd do
You can see all the dirt in the paint.
That bit. I thought we'd do that bit on camera.
Let's do that bit on camera. I'm gonna line myself up for a juicy shot here. I mean, if you look at the roof lights there, can you see all those little flecks? That's dirt. That's dirt. That's dirt.
They look a bit like that.
Oh yeah, if you sand over them,
they look a little bit like
bullseyes.
Yeah, little bullseyes. And silicons look a little bit like that.
Like,
that's a silicon with like an empty spot, like a crater.
Fisheye and a bullseye.
Yeah, so...
all the eyes. Aye, aye.
Aye, aye. Let's buzz over this bit here.
First pass. There we go, guys.
You can see now so clearly.
Do you remember Super Ted and Spotty? Well, that's Spotty.
That's just one spot.
That's just one spot.
How many other? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25 bits of dirt in a very short...
In a foot.
I don't think I get 25 bits of dirt in an entire paint job.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I've seen some stuff, but you've seen more stuff than me, and you've never seen that.
But there's been no attempt there to rectify it.
Hey ho, let's get it fixed now.
Exactly.
I'll leave you to carry on with that, honey.
I shall carry on. We've only got this much left before all the 500ing is done on the DA, so...
Fantastic. Excellent work. We'll have this in paint before you know it.
A couple of days, yeah.
Well, Lewis has been a very, very busy bee. He has been prepping the Impreza like an Impreza has never been prepped before.
I keep finding little bits of, you're not painting it today, mate. Every day I've come in, I've like, this is what, Tuesday today, and I wanted to, a good would have been Saturday paint. But every day I come in and like sanding away, and it's like, oh, there's a little spider leg of rust under that. So I have to sand it all out and trace it back and epoxy it and prime it and all of that sort of stuff.
Because it's got to be good. It's got to be perfect.
It's got to be nice.
So here we go. There's the roof Lewis was doing last time you saw it. It is beautifully smooth. Look at that for a roof. Did these ever come with sunroofs as standard, these Imprezas?
I have no idea.
No, I got no idea. Does anybody in the comments know? Because obviously if it was mine, I'd go for a non-sunroof. Rally
specs wouldn't come with sunroofs because I don't think you're allowed to rally with a sunroof or race with a sunroof.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Hole in the roof, bad idea.
But it'd be interesting to know if it was a factory option. I'm not too clued up on Subarus, I'm afraid.
There probably was for a non-STI, a non-rally spec.
Yeah.
There probably was a sunroof option, but
here we go. We have got all the major bits in primer, prepped, ready to go. Let's have a look around the front. So Lewis has done his inspections. All rust and blemishes have been eradicated, and she is getting ready for a lick of paint today.
We've got a little bit more prep work to do. I've saved all the good stuff to last, meaning the really awkward, annoying stuff to do.
Look how lovely this boot looks. When I think about what it looked like when it came in and all the dodgy stuff that was underneath the spoiler.
It was here, I think. There was a big pile of rust there. There was. It's all got dug out and
beautiful now.
Chemically removed as well, and then wire brushed till I spent some time on it.
We used the best products, Built Hamburg, to the rescue to remove that from there.
Tiny bit of filler and
made good. A little bit of primer, but it's looking smooth as. I'm really looking forward to seeing the paint go down on that.
Yeah, me too. So we are, like I said, we've got some awkward bits to do. Like everything is prepped all the way around, apart from down this edge here, in the door shut, and around the petrol flap.
If you can see that, you can still see the guide coat on there, which Lewis is gonna
bit of a sharp edge.
You don't want a sharp edge.
So I'm going to remove that.
If you have a sharp edge like that on a curve, would you get a run off that?
You probably would.
Build up a paint in that
maybe. I've also been finding a lot of this unkeyed in paint from. So I'm going to have to smooth all that back, probably right into this corner.
That's annoying, isn't it? Look at that. You can see the shininess under that lacquer that was sprayed.
Yeah. It's very annoying. I found it in a lot of places, not on the main body, but in the awkward places like this little triangle here, on the other side, when I went over with it, like yesterday for example, I was ready to paint, went over with an air jet and it blew a load of lacquer off. I was like, oh, I'm not painting today.
Well, that hasn't been keyed it. Would you say because of that area, that would be I can't be asked area to key up?
Yeah, that's a...
I just don't understand it, you know, guys. If you're going to do a job, do it properly, do it to the best of your ability.
It had been bare metalled in here.
Right.
And primered and painted, but the rust hadn't been removed.
Such a shame.
So I've spent the best part of a day in there, taking the rust out, filling it. This is a very nice anti-corrosive.
Yeah, this is a product that we use. It's got built-in anti-corrosive properties as well as being a sealed layer. Making
sure I've removed it, treated it with rust remover. I have used a product which will ensure it doesn't come back.
Set the scene. You're looking at the back of the car, and this is a load of crap.
I think I've got some B-roll of using the probe up underneath here, showing that the holes that were there weren't welded. They were just filled over with some kind of weird, reddy, fillery stuff.
It was weird stuff. But Lewis and Moses sorted that right out, and now it is factory fresh again, ready for some paint.
Who's Moses?
Who's Moses? Yeah, where's Moses gone?
He's left us.
Moses has gone to university, guys.
He
left us. Oh my God.
Right, so shall we get on with this bit?
Let's get on with doing the final prep, and then we could do the final checks, and then do the start of the degreasing and cleaning.
A big degrease. I've already air jetted the hell out of it, inside and outside and underneath and in the arches and the wheels and the floor and the room and the boot and under the bonnet and the engine bay, maybe even inside the engine.
We're going to be giving this a sponge bath, a sponge bath in anti-silicone panel wipe. So it's going to love it.
Yeah, we're going to make some more dust.
Yeah.
Because why not?
Sand away.
Yeah, so this is just a 500 soft pad. These are really handy.
Very good product, those.
So it's just going to sand it until it looks smooth.
See, that guide coat just disappears, and then you know you've got it all down to the same layer.
Also,
very gently, no digging in.
This hard edge that I was talking about earlier, this hard edge.
Let me see if I can get it. Yeah. Hard edge.
It's not gone away until it's moved.
Okay.
That's the trick with, like if you've masked here, and there's a line and you've accidentally primered up to that line, you have to keep blocking at that until that line has started to move. If you've gone, oh yeah, it's flat, then you paint it, you will still see
it's in the same position.
It's in the same position, yeah.
Right. That's a good tip, though.
Isn't it? I've discovered these things the hard way around, you know.
Yeah. Beautiful. Lewis is just finishing up the last pieces of masking.
Yeah.
Just masking up the fuel flap, and then we'll do the windows on this side, and it's just the skirt to go.
Yeah, all the way around the skirt.
But it's looking really good. Look, here's this masking. This is my expert masking on the door handles. I will say that I have been out of practice for nearly 2 years, so it's more functional than beautiful.
You know, I couldn't tell.
Could you not tell? Oh, you're so, what do you call it?
Full of it.
Full of it, yeah. But no, we had good fun masking up the windscreen, under the bonnet, the scoop, and then just a few more bits to go. But, oh, we're getting close to paint, honey.
We are.
We're getting close to paint. Hopefully, Our new paint cups from IPS arrived as well.
They did arrive.
They've arrived?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
There we go. So we are all set. Can you show us how to do the soft edge
We're
masking?
soft edging.
Yeah.
Let me see that. You fold it over and you pull it along.
I love this trick. You don't need to buy expensive rolls of pre-folded soft edge tape. Just make your own.
Yeah.
Such a good trick, that.
It is.
Not one I've mastered, I'm afraid.
The trick now is to get it on the car without it going weird.
Oh, this is the worst bit.
So,
Oh, helps if I'm filming the right area, doesn't it?
yeah. So I'm not going to worry too much about what that's
So Lewis has already outlined with the fine line tape.
Going this way.
And then down that way. This just allows a little bit of paint to blow in under that edge, so you don't get a hard masking line. Sometimes you don't want hard masking lines.
Sometimes you do.
Sometimes you do.
This is my new method as well. Just learned today.
You
Stick
learnt
it on
this.
that way.
See, every day's a school day, right? What are you doing? Tell me.
Sticking the paper on this way.
Yeah, hold on. So we've got this pre-taped paper from the paper machine.
Stick it on that way.
Yeah.
And then hold it like this.
Wow.
Means there's no hard edge at the bottom of the door. It creates its own soft
That's
edge.
really
Where's my
good.
tape gone?
Your tape is up here on the
Oh,
roof.
got it.
He blames me, you know, for stealing the tape. It's his own
Because
doing.
every time I put my tape down, you've got it in your hand.
Put it around your wrist like a bracelet.
Hey, I didn't get to tell you yet. I got the longest leg hair I've ever seen.
Oh, shut up. No way.
Yeah.
How long are we talking?
2 inches long.
2-inch leg hair?
Yeah.
Were you deliberately growing it, or was it a
No,
surprise?
I just found it this morning.
Amazing.
I went, whoa, look at that. I thought it was one of your hairs stuck to my leg. I was like, that's not normal.
You thought it was
And then
one
I
of
went
my...
to get it off,
Hold
and I was
on,
like, hold on a second.
Did you think it was one of my head hairs, one of my leg hairs?
So here is our 5 litres of Subaru Blue that we had independent paint supplies. These guys mix for us because it's 5 litres, it's a lot of paint. So yeah, I'm just making sure it's as stirred as it's gonna be. Making sure to get in the bottom, give it a good scrape around down the sides. What a beautiful colour. It is a lovely blue actually, that's Subaru blue, isn't it? This is going to look fantastic. And we're going to be using U-POL System 20 as a clear coat, been recommended by good friends, so we're going to give it a try on this. Right then. Let's mix it 1 to 1, put it in the gun, and let's put some paint on the car. Fingers crossed, everything goes according to how it's supposed to go. Yeah. I'll put you on time lapse and we'll go from there.